Adjective agreement in gender and number. Adjective noun agreement. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Welcome again to Spanish Language Learning. Great! Let's start with a short review. Last time, we learned about the verbs ser and estar. Do you remember what they mean? To be. Yes, both mean to be. Yes, but remember, we use ser for things that don't change, like nationality or personality, and we use estar for things that change, like how you feel or where you are. For example, yo soy estudiante. I am a student. Estoy cansado. I am tired. Today, we're going to learn how to describe people and things using adjectives, and how those adjectives change depending on the noun they describe. In Spanish, adjectives are not fixed, like in English. They must agree with the noun they describe in gender and number. That means they change depending on whether the noun is masculine or feminine, singular or plural. Let's look at this example. El chico es alto. The boy is tall. La chica es alta. The girl is tall. So, masculine words usually use adjectives ending in o, and feminine words use a. Clear so far? Now, if there's more than one person or thing, we make the adjective plural. Los chicos son altos. The boys are tall. Las chicas son altas. The girls are tall. Some adjectives don't change gender, like those ending in e or a consonant. El estudiante es inteligente. La estudiante es inteligente. But for plural, los estudiantes son inteligentes. So, adjectives change depending on the gender and number of the noun they describe. That's called agreement. Let's practice together. Look at the first sentence. La mujer es blank, alto. What's the correct adjective?
Alta.
Perfect, because la mujer is feminine and singular. We change alto to alta. Los estudiantes están blank, cansado. Anyone?
Cansados.
Great! We added s because it's plural and masculine. Great job, everyone. Today, you learned that adjectives in Spanish have to match the noun they describe. That means the same gender and number. For homework, I want you to write, use adjectives to describe how you look, how you feel, and what you're like. For example, I am tall, soy alto. I am happy, estoy feliz. My friend is funny, mi amigo es gracioso. Any questions? If you have any questions, please put it in the comments section. If you like this lesson, follow this page for more lessons. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Alaroon!